I am really happy with my QQQ options positions on this expiration day, and I'm excited to show you how sticking with my trade management plan has allowed me to get this position back exactly where I want it and get paid almost $500 for the week. I'm Patricia Saylor, Managing Partner of Saylor Financial Fundamentals, coming to you from snowy North Carolina. Any moment now, the flakes should start falling, and the rare snowfall is always a big event here in the Piedmont. Right now, I'm sitting in what used to be my lawnmower shed, now converted to my petit chateau and tiny school. As always, no matter where I am, I show up on schedule to show you how I make weekly income by selling options. Today, QQQ is trading at $504.68 a share. I am short a $504 cash secured put and a $504 covered call, both expiring today. Having both positions right at the money sets me up for easy trade decisions. I roll the put down and roll the call up to move both positions a few dollars out of the money and generate almost $500 in income. Then, with the share price down and my options income up, today is the perfect day to add a couple of shares to the position. Even buying 2 shares above my break-even point, the income from the options lowers my average cost per share for the whole position. When I first learned to sell options, I could not believe people would actually pay me for the contracts that I'm willing to sell. And today is good confirmation that I'm on the right track as I build my retirement plan. QQQ has had a really big pullback this week, and the current share price is running between 504 and 505. And you see here my 2 positions, both expiring today, are a covered call with a strike price of 504 and a cash secured put with a strike price of 504. This puts me in a great position to realign this trade in the way I like it to be. I like for my put and my call to both be out of the money. Um, so I'm going to roll the cash secured put down and roll the covered call up and try to get a net credit for both of those rolls. So let's start with the put. So that was a great fill on this put. I rolled it down from 504 to 500 and received $3.11 less some trading fees. So let's put it on the spreadsheet and then I'll come back and roll out that covered call. I am really pleased with the annualized return of 32.3% on this roll and the fact that I was able to reduce the strike price by $4 a share. So now let's take a look at the covered call. The covered call filled at 176 and I added $6 a share to the strike price, which means if these shares are called away from me, I will get an additional $600 in capital gains. So yet another great roll on this position, and let's go add it to the spreadsheet. All right, this worked out exactly as planned, and I'm really glad that I stuck with the program and continued rolling those puts and calls out to get to this date. So today I brought in $483 or $484 in premium. the share price has really pulled back, so I think this is a great time to add another share to the position. Actually, I'm going to buy 2 shares. So you notice that while I was buying these shares, the price increased by a couple of dollars from the point where I was rolling out the call and the put. And I'm not at all worried about that extra $2 a share that I paid because it's offset by almost $500 in options premium that I got today. So um, it's, as one of my viewers said, it's like creating your own drip program, but using options instead of dividends. So let's do a quick account summary. I'm going to look at the total expense and income since I started trading this a few months ago. We're going all the way back to May 16th and adding up everything I've spent on shares and everything that I've brought in with options premium. So my out-of-pocket expense is $54,840, and I have 128 shares. So my average investment per share is $428.44, and I have 2 more shares than I did the last time I calculated it, when my average investment per share was $431.04. Both of the options positions are out of the money. They will expire in 7 days, and we'll come back and make some more moves.